For a seriously flavor-exploding side, I am making my crispy rice salad with kale, which is spicy and fresh. I make my dressing and then fry up some rice and toss it all together with kale. To get started on my dressing, I'm gonna chop up a Thai bird chili. These guys are really little, but they pack a good amount of heat. And then I'll also use a zester to grate in 4 cloves of garlic. And then I'll also grate in a teaspoon of fresh ginger. All right, I've got my garlic, ginger, and Thai chili in my bowl. And I also have some oil heating up that I'm gonna use to fry the rice, but I'm gonna steal 2 tablespoons of it so that the garlic and the ginger can kind of cook and become really fragrant. Oh yeah. I'll also get 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, which has so much flavor. It's made with fermented salted anchovies. And my gosh, I just love this stuff. And then for acidity, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. I'll whisk this all together. And that's it for my dressing. I'll just set this aside and let these flavors meld while I fry up some peanuts, which will add a great crunch and nuttiness to the salad. And I'm gonna put them into my spider first, which will help me gently lower them into the oil. All right. I've got 1.5 inches of neutral oil here, heating to 350 degrees, and then I'll fry them until they're golden. It'll just take a minute or 2. These are smelling nice and toasty, and they're getting some good brown color. And I'm actually gonna transfer them directly into my dressing so that they can soak up some of that good flavor. Okay, I'll set this aside and grab my rice and veggies. I've got my kale and a shallot and some leftover rice, which is best for frying because it's dried out a little bit. I'll gently add this to my oil. Okay, this will fry at 350 for about 5 minutes. And in that time, I'll chop up my veggies. I've got some dinosaur kale here, which I just love for its dark, rich color. And I'll just take it off of the stems. Okay, I'm gonna gather this up and then I'll thinly slice it. I'll add some sliced shallot rings on top and some freshly chopped cilantro. Let me check on my rice. Yes, that's some great color and I can feel how crispy it is. I'll transfer it to a paper towel to drain. I'll just break it up into pieces right into my bowl. And I like some of the bigger pieces too, so I don't want to break it up too much. I'll add in my peanuts. The smells that are happening right now are just beyond. And then I'll toss this up. Oh yeah, get everything coated in that delicious dressing. And as the kale coats in the dressing, that saltiness will help break it down. The kale's looking really nice and glossy. Okay, let me give it a taste, make sure that I have enough dressing on there. And also, I really just can't handle this smell without eating it. Perfect 11 out of 10.